This is for all the people that think I'm bald-headed, under my weaves, my braids, my protected hairstyles. Okay, bald where? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new, I am so glad that you are here. So today is a fun video. I am experimenting with a new hairstyle. This hairstyle is not like new, but I feel like it's just trending a little bit. And I saw a video of a girl on TikTok doing like experimenting with the hairstyle, so I was like, oh, that's cute and easy. So I said, let me go ahead and try it out and see if I like it. I got this high and low, half wig and ponytail wrap in one package. So I got this from the beauty supply store a couple days ago. It was $46. I forgot it was that expensive. So hopefully it works out. So yes, I want to try this out, and I'm gonna see if it's a fail or if it's successful. Either way, it's Saturday, I ain't got nothing else to do, and I also need to co-wash my hair. So yes, you guys are gonna see me do that because it's been about 2 weeks. I only shampoo my hair maybe like once or twice a month, depending on how busy I am, or just, you know, just depending on how I feel about my hair, because shampoo tends to strip your hair of its, I guess, of its natural oil. So I don't shampoo it often, but I do try to co-wash my hair, which is conditioning your hair. I try to co-wash my hair at least once or twice every week or every 2 weeks, and then I shampoo my hair maybe like once or twice a month. So this week, today, will be 2 weeks since I last washed it and conditioned it. So today I'm only gonna just condition it. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, because if you haven't subscribed, I really don't know what you're doing. I already know you watched a video or two already, so you might as well just subscribe so you can keep up with me, okay? But yeah, y'all, let's get into the video. All right, you guys, so I am about to co-wash my hair, and the conditioner that I use to co-wash my hair is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner. I also have a video on my wash day routine, so check that out after you finish watching this video for a full wash day routine. So yeah, that's about it. Let me go ahead and start washing my hair. All right, y'all, so I just rinsed my hair with warm to hot water, and if you didn't know, washing your hair in the sink is very ghetto, but I mean, I got it done. So I am going to part my hair into 4 parts. I'm going to do 4 twists. In each section, I'm just going to lather the conditioner in it. So yes, I will see you guys when I am done. For probably about 30 to 45 minutes, not that long, and then I will be back for the next step. As you can see, I washed my hair out. I washed all the conditioner out. So what I'm gonna do next is, well, first I am going to insert the TikTok video that I have seen. Now, I couldn't find the TikTok video that I originally saw that gave me this idea, but I kind of searched it on TikTok just to give you guys an idea and just to give me an idea of what the hairstyle is gonna be looking like. So first, I am pretty much going to just blow dry my hair in sections. I'm going to apply oil to my hair, and I am going to apply heat protectant to my hair as well, and then I'm gonna blow dry it. So yeah. Okay, so I just part my hair into 4 sections, and I'm going to apply my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I'm gonna put a dime size of heat protectant in my hair. And just lather that on. I'm gonna show you guys how I safely blow dry / stretch my hair out. So yes, I do this so I can avoid, hopefully I can avoid flat ironing my hair for this hairstyle, because I do not like flat ironing my hair, y'all. So what I do, I take my blow dryer and I just go up and down my hair shaft. I just take it by the end and I just do this until it's fully dry. Look at my hair, y'all. Look at how much it's grown. I am definitely going to do a natural hair journey video, so if you want that, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up, okay? This is for all the people that think I'm bald-headed, under my weaves, my braids, my protected hairstyles, okay? Bald wear, stiff wear, bald wear, okay? Wear. Okay, so like I said, I hope I don't have to straighten my hair, but I do want it to be sleek at the top. I may not have to do all that, but pretty much what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to pretty much about right here, I'm gonna part it, and I'm gonna do one ponytail right here, and I'm gonna braid my hair. I'm gonna do 2 braids in the back so that my hair can lay flat in the back, because it's extensions at the top and it's a wig in the back. So I just need to braid this part, and then I just have to put this part in a ponytail. So before I do that, I'm going to take my Do Grow Mega Thick Formula Hair Oil, and I'm gonna put that on my scalp so just that my hair won't be dry. So we're gonna go ahead and open this. So it has the instructions on here. You can see that. It's a little too bright. Hopefully you can see that. So when you buy this, it'll give you the instructions on what you want to do. So it says, part your hair from ear to ear, tie your hair securely as shown. I already did that. I look a mess, but that's all right. Half wig, install half wig by securing front combs along the parted section at the top, and then secure the bottom combs at the nape. Then secure the bottom comb at the nape. Use hairpins as security as needed. And then at the top, insert the middle comb at the top of your hair tightly. Wrap around your hair to create high ponytail. Use hairpins to hold wrapped hair in place. So you're gonna do that. And yeah, actually I need to go get some bobby pins, so I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I have installed the back part of the wig. They have 2 clips at the top and then like clips at the bottom. So you just make sure that you clip those. And then they also have a drawstring so you can tighten it. So yeah, that was pretty easy. I'm liking it. And also I have my flat iron. I have my flat iron heating up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, okay, half a wig. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten my edges, and I'm gonna redo this ponytail. So we're gonna go ahead and do that next. Starting to begin. For this second part, I'm guessing that you just put these pins at the base of your ponytail, and then you're gonna use this to wrap around the base of the ponytail. right, y'all, so what do you think? Y'all, this top part though gave me so much problems. Like, it's still kind of raggedy because it's kind of hard to like get this piece of hair to go around the base of your ponytail, and I didn't want to do it like, I didn't want to secure it like for real because I'm not going nowhere, so there's no point for me to go through all of that. But I am a little special when it comes to doing my hair, but once again, I am in the learning process and I'm just gonna make it do what it do. But I think this hairstyle is really cute. This is of course synthetic, it's not human hair, but it seems like and it feels like it could actually last a long time. So this is the edge control that I use to just lay this top part. Like I said, I made sure that I blow dried my hair really good, and then I only just straighten this in the front because I don't want no heat damage. I'm really scared and terrified of heat damage. I've had to deal with it before, don't want to have to deal with it again. So yes, I just make sure that I laid it down, and like I said, I'll lay it down more and I'll secure it more if I actually go out with this look, but for right now I'm just at home. So yes, I hope you guys like it. It's actually really, if you're not as slow as I am, it's really not that hard to do. Like, it's not. But me, I'm just a little special when it comes to doing my hair. So don't become frustrated. Just make sure, you know, if my hair is a little stubborn, so I did have to flat iron the front. I'm not the baby hair type of girl because I don't know how to do that, y'all. Like I said, I'm a little special ed when it comes to my hair, so I don't know how to do all that yet. I am just taking it step at a time. But no, it's actually really cute. I really like it, and I would definitely do this again. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any other hair ideas or anything else that you guys would like to see me do to my hair, just comment it down below. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on so you guys can be notified each time that I post. So yeah, you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.